Hey everyone, welcome to the Franklin Trade channel. Today we're going to talk about how to start making money on binary options even if you only have a small deposit. This info will be helpful for both beginners and those who are not prepared to take risks with significant amounts. Now, prior to commencing, please do not forget to like this video and leave a fascinating comment. Additionally, ensure to subscribe to my Telegram channel where we trade and generate substantial income. You have the opportunity to start trading with a minimal amount, similar to $50 or some other small sum of money. This reduces financial risks and allows newcomers to gradually learn the market. However, a small deposit really limits your ability to make significant profits and actually requires more careful management of your funds. There are numerous strategies for trading binary options, but you should begin with the fundamentals, trading with the trend, or perhaps experiment with trading a little based on the news. It is also extremely important to learn how to manage risks. In no situation should you place the entire amount of your deposit on a single trade, as that will result in a rapid loss of your deposit. Don't forget about the need for constant learning and practice. Earnings on binary options can vary and largely depend on your experience, strategy, and market situation. It is worth commencing with small transactions and progressively enhancing the magnitude of your wages as you acquire expertise and capital. Let's talk about the benefits of trading with a minimum deposit. First of all, the very first plus, and it's the biggest one, you won't lose a whole lot of your money if something goes wrong. Trading on a minimum deposit means that you'll be trading with a maximum of $1 for some time, maybe weeks, maybe months, maybe even half a year, in order to get some practice and gain enough experience. Secondly, your psychological burden will be very minimal. You lose the least amount of money, and it's psychologically easier for you to deal with it. Because psychology is very important in trading, absolutely no way should you start with large sums or borrowed funds. Because it will always impose psychological limitations on you, and it will be very, very difficult for you to trade. And of course, thirdly, because you have a very small budget, it's very easy for you to cover your losses and unprofitable deals. But let's certainly discuss the disadvantages of trading with a minimum deposit without a doubt. And the initial drawback is, naturally, the limitation of your earnings. Trust me friends, it is going to be extremely difficult for you to make money with only $50, and in all probability, you will not make more than $10 per week from those paltry $50. There are, of course, some unique cases when people were able to double their deposit, but they were trading a whole lot. And right away we move on to the second point. This is something you're gonna have to trade a whole lot, like a whole lot. Deals that are priced at just $1 can bring in a profit of only 80 cents. That is a very small amount, and you will not receive any substantial profit or any substantial increase to the amount of money you have deposited. You'll also gradually get frustrated and won't see any significant changes in your deposit, and you'll start raising your bet to $2 to $3 to $5. And then your risk and money management will be really bad, and you'll end up with several losses in a row, thus burying your balance. The second and extremely significant downside is that you are unable to employ a strategy to mitigate your losses simply because you have too small of a deposit, and, to put it bluntly, you have nothing to cover your loss with. Because adequate loss coverage, risk management, and money management are highly significant in trading, but proper risk and money management is simply impossible with a small deposit. And the third significant downside is that you'll be topping up your balance by $50 each time, but you won't make any profit from it. You'll add $50 to your balance once, then your deposit will be topped up with $50 for the second, third, and fourth times, each time receiving an additional $50. You will lose all of those $50 because it is completely impossible to engage in trading with such a small deposit amount of money. Or it's really difficult, but if you get your act together, save up some cash and hit the market with $200 right off the bat, your chances of making a killing go way up. Let's talk a little bit about strategy. In order to work with the minimum deposit, you need a constant and stable strategy. Unfortunately, she's the only one here and it's strictly trading based on the trend. You need a good trend like the one I'm showing on the screen right now, and then everything will definitely work out for you. How much money can you make, you inquire? I will inform you. With a starting capital of $50, if you commence trading and execute trades every day, if you engage in 20, 30, 40, 50 transactions per day, then you can earn a maximum of March 5th 10% of your initial deposit. Believe me, it may seem like a lot, but in reality it's very little. It won't exceed $50 to your deposit. How can you enhance your deposit? Regrettably, there is only one choice available in this situation. This will add funds to your deposit and raise it using your own money. Either trade very carefully and earn very carefully, but maybe even to double the deposit it will take you months. Believe me, it is simpler to go to the workplace, earn some money, transfer it to the stock market, and only after that begin working and earning actual money. You don't have any other options, so you should just accept it and start taking action little by little. Hey guys, we've gone over the basics of making money on binary options with a small deposit. Remember, success takes time, learning and practice. Start small, be cautious with the risks, and constantly strive to improve. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave your questions in the comments section. Additionally, do not forget about my Telegram channel, where we trade and make truly good money. Thanks everyone. Bye bye everyone.